Alright guys, so we are back with another video. If you guys haven't watched this video, make sure you guys go ahead and watch that. This will be Rebuild series number 3. So as you guys can see, we got a lot of packages in the mail. My boy got some new wheels we're going to be throwing on there. Pretty sure you guys seen that. New tires are on there. But let's go ahead and start unpackaging all these packages, get them in the shop, and get ready to install them. We are currently still working on the 300. We are still wrapping it. I'm gonna show you guys what we got done so far, guys. So we didn't leave off too far from the other video. We got the quarter panels done, we got this trunk done, we got this rear bumper done. We are currently wiring the turn signals for the rear diffuser lights. What's crazy here right now, this side will be done today. We are doing this passenger door, and I think that's all we got done so far. The headlights are rewired, and the new headlights actually did arrive. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the new lights. Check it out. These are the gray ones, as they should be. So we will get that put on either today, tomorrow, whenever. But he is sending these out to get custom DRLs. So with that being said, let's go ahead and finish these, and I will show you guys everything that he got in the mail. Alright guys, so we got majority of the parts right here. We're still waiting on like 30 more items, but let's start off what we see so far already. Obviously this was already on his car. We painted it, these badges, we painted them. You guys seen these headlights already. Y'all seen these phosphor already, but they got brand new tires on them. These right here are his fenders for sure, both fenders. These rest of this stuff, I don't really know what it is. I did take a peek at this. I believe this is his wing. Let's go ahead and get this open. It looks like his wing. Cross white wing. Alright, we can get that out the way. This is his upper shroud for the front bumper. I know about that one already. Box right here is his rear wheel wells. I know about that already. Let's go ahead and get this one open. So this package right here is his grill. He didn't like the other grill, so we got this one. Speaking of this grill, let's go ahead and take it out so I can prep it for paint, because it has this chrome bezel on it. It also came with an SRT bracket, but he's putting an LED badge, so we're not gonna put that on there. Now for this package, I do not know what this is. Oh, these are his floor mats. Sheesh, these look good. This is another wheel well. I don't know why they sent that in this big box. What's this? Today's has a gift. And this is his fog light, believe. Yes, sir. Should be both, unless they scanned me. Yes, it is. It is both for both sides. I believe this is bottom bezel for the front bumper. Yes, it is. No reason for y'all to see that. This, I believe, is one of the other wheel wells. Yes, it is. Another wheel well. Some purple leaked. Not a big deal. I will just go over that with some alcohol. Sheesh. this is the purple. Y'all can't tell me that don't match. And that's by guessing.
Yo, they don't match.
So what?
They don't match.
They don't match. Where the piece of wrap at? He tweaking. He tweaking.
It's yummy, it's funky, it's delicious. It is that sweet.
Damn.
Nah,
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. That's on point.
Oh, bro.
If not, close enough. That's with the clear on it. With the clear off, that should match. We're gonna see when the car finished.
Let's go, Michi. That's your turn right now.
You're so lame.
Alright guys, so we just received the LED badge in the mail. This is the one he went with. You guys won't be able to see it's flipped over, but we received this badge in the mail. Also received this rear bumper molding that was missing. Oh, packaging. Hopefully I'll be able to bend that back out. Didn't say that on eBay. That's the last missing piece to the rear bumper. Then I can start throwing the tail lights back on. But let's go ahead and unbend this first and then wrap it. Alright guys, so check it out. We got the front end on. It's not bolted up because we're going to be pulling it back off. We still have to install the bottom grill and the lip. And these lights are getting sent out to get customized. Just want to give you guys a little update on the car. Check out the badge. Sheesh. Both sides are done. Chrome delete is finished. Still have to change the driver axle. Throw the wheel well covers on. We officially got the wing on. Yes, we will be ceramic coating the car, so don't pay that no mind. All these swirls and stuff. Still had to do a chrome delete on this part. Throw this door handle on. And throw this fender badge on. Major difference from when he dropped it off. Let's check out the trunk. Button works. Don't pay these wires no mind. These are my extra wires, but we already got the trunk cover for this, so we will be slapping that on. But he got the cover on for the trunk. The video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the rebuild number 4.
Classy.